In front of me is iPhone 16 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. First of all, you need to find an app called Voice Memos and click on it. Then click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. Now to see all recording options, hold this line and drag it up. To pause or unpause your recording, use this big button at the bottom in the middle. You can edit it right away by clicking on the top left corner, using all of those options, or top right one and operating this one. If you want to listen to your recording right away, pause it, skip it 15 seconds each way, and click on play button. If you want to see transcript of your recording, click at the bottom left corner. And if you want to end it and save it, tap on bottom right one. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it and use play button. To delete it, click on it as well. And use this bin icon or select edit at the top right corner. Click on your recording that you wish to get rid of and use this bin icon at the bottom right corner. In order to rename it, just tap on it and then add its name and type in wherever you want to. You can also click on this option at the bottom left corner. To see your recording in this form and edit it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!